How to round time in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you rounding times in Microsoft Excel. When you are working on your salary sheet and you have hourly payment and you might want to round up or down your work hour. And this is when you need rounding time option. And here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can round your time in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Take a look at this worksheet. We have random times in column B and I want to round these times. Okay, so I can round time either by quarter and either by half an hour. So if I round time by quarter, I can write a formula here. I'm going to write equal to and then I'm going to write MROUND. If I double click here, our time will be our number. If I add comma and within double quotation, if I write here 0 colon and 15, our double quotation close, and if I close parentheses and press enter, we'll have a number. Don't worry about it. If I drag it, we have applied this formula for all these cells. Now if I change this format, click on the time and select the time format you want, and if I click OK, and you can see all this time has been converted or has been round up or down by quarter. Okay, so 634 becomes 630, 19 become 115, 812 become 815, 1051 become 1045. So we will round up or down depending on the time you have provided. Okay, so if you want to do the rounding function by half an hour, let's write another function. I'm going to write here equal to and then write MROUND again. Double click here. Again select the number, add comma, and within double quotation I'm going to write 0 colon and 30. Okay, so this will round up and down by half an hour based on the time we provide. So I'm going to close the quotation mark and close the parentheses. If I press enter, we'll again have numbers. I'm going to drag this and then I'm going to format this based on the time you prefer. Okay, so if I select this, I don't want the second, it will give us the rounded time, and this will round the time by half an hour, and this formula will round the time by quarter. Okay, so again, it can round up or down based on your number. If you only want rounding up time and if you only want to round down time, you will have to subscribe the channel and check out for the next tutorial, because in the next time I'll be creating a video on rounding up time. There will no rounding down in that video, and then another video I'll be creating where I will only round down the time. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.